so fresh today. You look handsome. Happy?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you look handsome. How are you?
My times.
You're fine. How old are you, Tom?
9 years old.
What is your Vietnamese name?
My name is Adam.
Aida. Okay. Tom, we will do our speaking test, okay? So I want you to speak loudly and you have to find the differences between the two pictures. Okay, 5 is okay. Okay, 6 is okay. So now make sure to identify the differences. Let's start with picture number 1. Go. Picture 1.
In the picture one, the bear is like
The bears are
black.
black,
But in the picture two,
but
the bear is
the bears
brown.
these are.
Oh,
Say it again. The bears are brown.
the bear are brown.
Okay, picture 1.
In the picture one,
There are,
there are 4 ducks.
but
But in the picture two, there are 5 ducks.
very good. Next,
In the picture one, the girl
the
is
mom.
the
Girl is one.
the girl
Isn't wearing.
isn't wearing a hat. But in the picture two, the girl is wearing a hat.
Is that a hat or a helmet? Helmet.
Helmet.
Yep.
In the picture one, the mom is sitting on the chair.
Good.
But in the picture two, the mom is standing
In front.
in front the chair.
Okay. I think that's just okay. Let's move on to other one now. Okay, here you have to give me clear, okay? Different. So for line 1, you have to tell the different picture is because it's a, other pictures are, okay? Pictures are, other pictures are, okay? Let's do it in line 1.
In line one, picture three is different because
It's a,
it's a box or the picture is a foot.
that is are,
Or
other
the picture
pictures
just
are.
or the foot.
Good. Okay, in line 2.
In the
In line 2.
in line two, picture three is different
Because
because it is
drinks.
drinks. But
Other pictures.
as a picture is
Other pictures are.
as a picture of the food.
Okay, look at me, Tom. Other pictures are. Say. Other pictures. Other pictures are food. Food. Say it again.
The pictures
Are
of
foods. Okay, in line 3.
in line three, picture four is different because
She
you will
is.
see it playing
Are
a ball.
other
Other pictures
pictures are
of clapping.
yeah. In line 4.
In line four, picture three is different because all the pictures
It's a
is a kite.
other.
The pictures is all the clouds.
Again, other pictures are clothes.
All the pictures clothes.
Are
Are
one more
clothes.
time.
All the pictures are clothes.
Very good. For clothing. Good job. Now let's move on to picture story about the missing cow. Are you ready, Tom?
Yes.
Let's start.
Yes, Dad had a cow, but he can't find the cow. He is really
Worried.
worried,
Worried.
worried about it.
Mhm.
Jen want to help her dad.
Mhm.
She looked everywhere, but she can't
Bye. See you.